Basketball. I've had this for so many years in my life, and it's brought me so much joy. And I guarantee you, so many people have had joy with it also, young and old. Well, today I had tears in my eyes with so much joy because of two great men. We watched them in their early days, in college to the pros, and they battled like no one before them. But today these two men see no color before them, only love for their fellow man. In those days, they were fierce competitors and true champions on and off the court. Only if all men today could feel the same way about each other. They see no color, no religion, only two men who care about each other from their heart and soul. Why can't we all follow their lead? So we see no color, only our fellow man. The program featured these two great men on Sunday Morning Series, November 1, 2009. I sat there and watched with tears and love for them and listened to their stories. How they love each other, their families, and would do anything for each other. Only we could find one friend like that in our lives today. That show should be played everywhere in the world today, so everyone can see that two fierce champions can drop their guard down for each other and say, "Man, I love you." Only if the world could watch this and ride with the love and compassion they have for each other. Today I can say that I watched them compete and they thrilled us time and time again, but today is the day I bow my head to two great men because of their love for life and each other. Thank you, Magic Johnson and Larry Bird, for all the times you all made us dance in the streets with your ability to be the best basketball players ever. Today I salute you both for showing us the love. Only if all people could show the love for each other in this world today. We miss your excellence on the court, but your love for each other is tops for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you for showing us it can be done, and it can be done. Men can find a way for love and peace and harmony in this world. God bless you both, Mr. Bird and Mr. Johnson. You made me cry with joy. I am just an ordinary man who would like the same for everyone in the world today. Thank you for showing us the love. I call you guys Bird Magic and Magic Bird. God bless you both.